Discover 10 ways to charge your electric car with solar power, saving hundreds on fuel. From Axiom Eco Homes. Size your solar system to cover both home and car use. A 6 kilowatt peak system generates around 5,000 to 5,500 kilowatt hours per year. Install a solar-compatible smart charger with Eco Mode to use free solar power first. You can claim up to £350 off via the OZEV grant. A 5 to 10 kilowatt-hour battery stores daytime solar for evening charging. A 5 kilowatt-hour battery costs between £3,000 and £5,000 installed. Check tomorrow's solar forecast to charge on sunny hours. Most smart charger apps now show next-day generation predictions. Charge between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. when solar peaks. For a 20 to 30-mile commute, this covers 50 to 80% of energy. Pair solar with a time-of-use tariff to buy cheap grid power on cloudy days. This saves around £100 to £200 yearly. Monitor your solar-to-car ratio to maximize free energy. Aim for 100% solar on sunny days. Orient panels west to capture afternoon sun for evening EV charging. This can boost afternoon yield by 15 to 20%. Claim up to £350 off a smart charger via the OZEV Chargepoint grant. Ensure your installer is OZEV approved. Always use an MCS-Certified installer to qualify for grants and the Smart Export Guarantee. Check roof space and orientation first. Start saving with solar EV charging today. Contact Axiom Eco Homes for a free quote.